Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix for the Windows update. Windows update not responding or error encrypted. This is a problem. Then step follow to solve this problem for this error code. Okay, and go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. You will go to the search box, search the trouble troubleshoot settings. Click to open. Click to the other troubleshoots. You will see the Windows update. Then click to run. Then wait for the few minutes further this detected the problems. Anyone error showing to wait. Okay, this is the background running. Okay, then go to the second step for you will get open the CMD so you will just comment to press the control plus C to copy. Then I will provide this comment for this video description. Okay, then copy to you will click to the search bar, search the CMD, you will search to then click to the run as yes, you will press the control plus V to click to enter. This operation was successful. Okay, you will click to pause. Then third step for change the Windows update in automatic in services. Okay, you will click to the search bar, search the services, click to open. You will scroll down to see the Windows update. You will right click to properties. You will see the startup type for this is already automatic. This is the disabled to you will change the automatic service test bar already is running. Your device for stop to you will get start. Okay. Click after click to apply, click to OK. Then wait for this error for you will check click to the run to you will show the any network issues to check the Windows update or update bending issues to you will fix this problem. If you are showing the fix option, you will click to start to fix this problem. After finally you will click to the Windows update, you will click to the recent update to this is problem for solved. Okay. Then anyone doubt to print the comment and thank you for watching.